Why do some people get instant respect? Many think authority comes from status or a loud voice. It doesn't. People who look authoritative are calm and clear. They don't rush when they speak. They pause before answering. Eye contact is steady. Movements are simple. When things get noisy, they stay relaxed. That's what makes others go quiet and pay attention. Try these small changes. Speak slower and clear. Use simple words. Listen fully before you respond. Stand straight. Don't react too fast. Authority is about self-control, not style. When you stay steady, people feel safe and trust you. Want to be respected starting today? Like and subscribe for simple tips you can use right away.